So today I decided that I'm gonna film a what I eat in a day video. I haven't filmed one of these in a really long time. I think the last time I filmed this was like a year ago. I just woke up about an hour ago and I just got my breakfast. I wake up really late, so I normally don't eat like a huge breakfast, or I just drink coffee for breakfast. I know it's bad, but I'm doing an actual what I eat in a day, and sometimes I don't eat 3 meals a day. Sometimes I eat like 2 meals a day and a bunch of snacks. Yeah, I make coffee every morning, well, when I can. If I run out of coffee, I normally buy coffee. But I normally get like the jug from like Target of the Starbucks coffee, and I get some creamer and I mix it together and it's really good. I like it a lot. I feel like whenever I don't have coffee, I have like no energy in the morning, so yeah, I have my coffee with me. So this is basically my breakfast because it's literally 3 o'clock right now. I woke up really late, as I said, and yeah. I'm gonna get ready now to go out because I'm going to the mall with my friend, and we're probably gonna get lunch there, and then I'll see you guys then. Hey guys, I haven't talked to you guys for a while. I'm now at the mall and I'm eating sushi with my friend Ryan. Ryan's not eating anything. He's just watching me eat.
Sushi earlier.
And then I'm eating California rolls. I always get them from this place. You guys saw it in the clip. And I have a mango aloha from Haagen-Dazs. I love this shit. This shit was $7. The small was $7. Hey guys, me. I'm still eating. I have my little smoothie. I'm about halfway done with my sushi. It's really good. This is gonna be my mukbang. Mukbang.
I hate you. I hope you know this.
How do you feel about me filming mukbang?
I love it. We love this lifestyle.
Me films a mukbang in the mall. The sushi is really good. Like, look at it. Oh yeah, by the way, I eat sushi with my hands. Don't judge me. I know how to do chopsticks. I just choose to use my hands because I feel like it's easier. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off before people judge me. Peace. My last sushi. guys, it is now the end of the day. I'm gonna start eating my dinner now. You guys saw what I made. I made some eggs with tofu and some rice and with some salmon flake thing. It's really good. I'm excited to eat this. I've never tried this before because I don't know, this is my first time creating this. So let's see if it's good. That's good. Normally I always eat like salmon and I always eat tofu and I always eat eggs, but I never put it together before, and this is my first time making this. I'm very excited about it. Look at it. So I'm gonna finish this now and end off this video. I hope you guys like this video. I haven't filmed like what I eat in a day in a while. This one wasn't really a full what I eat in a day because I only had 2 meals. But I'm probably gonna eat some hot Cheetos as a snack, honestly. I love hot Cheetos. I keep them in this jar. And hot Cheetos are really good. Love them, they're awesome. I don't eat super healthy, as I said in the beginning of this video, I believe. I just eat like a normal person. I don't know, a normal Asian American gal. I hope you guys like this video. Remember to thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below any other video suggestions you guys have for me. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time I post a video. I'm trying to post like once or twice a week now. And yeah, make sure you thumbs up, subscribe. Also, comment down below what's your favorite food. I want to see what your favorite food is. Peace. Bye.
I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air."